So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 12th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices and when prices may likely go. So here on the US dollar Japanese yen, we've had prices head down towards this 12.15. But this consolidation around 12.15, broke away, tested 12.52. From this 12.52, we've had a breakdown towards breaking beyond 12.15. Didn't quite get down towards 11.60, brought back towards the 12.15, held support, came within a whisker of a test of 12.52, and at present we do seem poised for another test of that 12.15. If we do hold support around 12.15, looking for a move back up towards that 12.52, successful break from which target at 12.77, and if we do see volatility here to the upside, coming days or weeks, we may see 13.04 tested. If we do in fact hold this 12.15 as our potential low after seeing this sell-off from that 114.50 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If however we do see a breakdown from this 12.15 in alignment with the most recent trend which has developed over the past week or so here on the US dollar Japanese yen, if we do see this continued sell side momentum that we have seen primarily from that 14.50, we do break beyond 12.15. We're looking for a true test of that 11.60, successful break from which we target now 111, a key level here on the US dollar Japanese yen, and beyond that we're looking at that 10.73. Saying that, let's just have a look here at the daily chart to get scale on here correct. So on this daily chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, well, we've had this rally to the upside. We saw that immediate sell side momentum coming to the market from around at 14.50. We did identify 14.30 being a very strong level from 2017. So slightly above that level, we did break above the 14.30, and we have seen the immediate sell side momentum come back into the market now. It is Friday, so we could see a bit of profit taking considering the pretty consistent sell-off we've had all week. So we may see a bit of a counter trend move and further selling into next week. So we'll see if we can hold that 12.15 and see a bit of a counter trend move here towards that 12.52, possibly at 12.77 before more sell side momentum coming into the market, possibly bring us back down towards the key level that we are looking at here from a daily chart perspective on the US dollar Japanese yen is of course that 10.73. Previous area we found support for, we had this rally towards that 14.50, and at 10.73 we do have that confluence of the 400 period moving average. It does increase, and I could see a bullish bounce at that level, but failure at that level we're looking at 10.20 and at 9.80, our previous low before we did see the beginning of this move here to the upside. In around at 980, we also have the added confluence of that 200 period moving average. Again, could act as a dynamic level of support, holding higher prices on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.